Today, I'm gonna show you how to make Vietnamese coffee, French press coffee, and cold brew coffee at home. It's the three most underrated coffee that you can make and enjoy at home. Now, let's go get some ingredients. Okay, now we're back. So now I'm gonna show you step by step how to make these 3 cups of coffee. First, let's do some Vietnamese coffee. So for Vietnamese coffee, you will need coffee fin. This one you can buy at any Asian or Vietnamese supermarket. Also, you can buy it online. Here, there's some link, you can check it out. You also will need some sweet condensed milk. This one, you can also buy some Vietnamese coffee or Asian coffee. I prefer like the squeeze bottle more than the can because this one is a lot easy to clean and easy to use. After that, you will need some coffee. Make sure to grind your coffee correctly. So for your coffee bean, before you buying it, you need to pay attention on your roasting day. Usually they will show you on the Pacific day like this one and the profile of the coffee bean bag you get. For Vietnamese coffee, you want to make sure to get full city or dark roasters, where down here and there's usually the roasting that will be this one. So make sure to pay attention on it. So for Vietnamese coffee, there's a lot of ratio out there. It can be a little bit confusing, but I'm gonna show you how my mom taught me how to do it. Another thing is like if you work well with number, here are some ratio that I found to be very close. So when you've got this fin, they come on 3 parts. First, the lid. After that, it's a press. You can unscrew this one and it will come out. And the fin is out. So first, you wanna add some condensed milk to it. Just add a little bit, and then if you need more sweetness, you can add more later. So add your condensed milk. Perfect. After that, you will need to add some coffee bean into your coffee fin. There's a stick right in here. This is where you want to fill your coffee all the way up until you don't see that stick no more. After that, make sure to give it like a light tap. Okay, now this almost cover up the stick. Make sure to cover completely. When it's completely covered, lightly shaking it and use the press it down to enough pressure so that it's packing it. After that, place it on the cups and pour some hot water into it. But at the beginning, you only need to pour a little bit of hot water. So what it does, it will bloom your coffee and extract the most flavor of your coffee. So after the first pour complete, now all you need to do is fill your coffee fin with all the hot water and leave it there. This process will take from 5 to 10 minutes. Vietnamese coffee are great when you start your day, especially when the day that you don't have a lot of things to do and you can take that morning chill and relax. Or maybe you just want to get read some email, chat with some friend and wait for that drip of coffee to go down. So after your Vietnamese coffee drip all the way completely down, all you need to do is take the lid, leave on the table and move the fin on the lid. Coffee remain, it will drip on the lid, so it's not making a big mess for you. After that, give it a good stir. Give it a taste to see if you need more sweetness. If you do, please add more condensed milk as how you want it to be. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Give it a quick stir again. So here you done it. Your first Vietnamese cup of coffee made at home. Cheers! So next, French press. So for French press, you will need French press, coffee, and cup of water. So first, all you need to do is add some coffee to your French press. See the line right here? See that line? Make sure to put your coffee up to this line right here. Usually it will take 1, 2, 3. That's it. After that, you want to add your hot water all the way up here. Make sure to cover up all your coffee. Perfect. And now add the lid back on. Make sure to leave this one where the valve is and put this press all the way up. Leave it here and wait for 5 to 7 minutes. So after 5 or 7 minutes, all you need to do is give a little bit press all the way down and pour out your coffee. That's it. you just make your first French press coffee at home. Don't forget to add any creamer that you like. Now last is cold brew. To make cold brew is as simple as French press. All you need is some sort of drainer. You can use French press, water, coffee, and 24 hours. For coffee, this one make sure to grind it a little bit more coarse. So for cold brew, you need to prepare ahead of time. All you need to do is put everything together, leave it in the fridge, and it will be ready for you by tomorrow morning when you need it. One thing different from French press is cold brew, you need twice the amount of coffee. So make sure when you put your coffee in, it have to be double of what you use in your French press. It's quite simple and straightforward. All you need to do is add coffee. Make sure to put twice of what you put in the French press. Here you go. It's twice more than what you put in the French press. If you need some ratio, here are some. You can check it out. After that, very important, cold water. Make sure to put cold water, not hot water, not warm water, cold water. That's the reason why it's called cold brew. So add it in all the way up, fill up all the way up here. Quick stir to make sure all your coffee infused with water. Make sure to leave it in the fridge for 24 hours. So we're back. After 24 hours, all you need to do is same thing, put the lid back on and press it all the way down. Pour into your cup. That's it. You just make your first cold brew at home. Don't forget to add any creamer that you like to your cup of coffees. So there you go. There's a 3 easy cup of coffee that you can make and enjoy at home. Hopefully you like it. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.